afternoon, everyone. I'm Pradyum from myBillBook, and I'll be onboarding specialist for this live session. So I'm genuinely excited to have you all here because today you'll see how you can manage your business and data and everything in myBillBook, like one-stop solution for billing and accounting all in one place. Okay, so here's what we are going to cover today is like setting up your account step by step, exploring the key features you can use it right away, and pro tips you can start running a business from today itself. Okay, so a quick note along, like as we go along, keep your questions ready. We'll be having a dedicated Q&A in the mid and at the end of this session, so if you have any questions you can definitely write it in the chat box. Okay, so whereas we can uh, answer and clear all your doubts. Okay. And yeah, one more thing, like we have shared feedback form as well in the chat box. Like you can definitely share your valuable feedback so you can make this session as a successful one. Okay, so yeah, let's start logging with myBillBook application. So first thing is like once you click on login, sorry, I'll just guide you from the start. So first thing is like you should type myBillBook.in and click on enter. So once you click on enter, you'll get this page. Click on login. You have two options to log in, one with the mobile number and one with login by scanning the QR code. Okay, so this is the QR code. If you have logged in your mobile application, then only you'll be able to log in through QR code. So what you need to do is like open mobile application. On top right hand side you will find this logo. Okay, so this logo, you can definitely tap on this, and once you tap on this, and you'll be able to open the scanner from your mobile phone, and you'll be able to scan this QR code and log in. Okay, and next is login with the mobile number. So login with mobile number is basically like you'll have to enter your mobile number, get OTP. 1 minute. Okay, there's some issues in my network, so it's not able to send OTP. Sure, then I'll just show you by scanning the QR code. Firstly, what I do is open my myBillBook application in my mobile phone, and on top right side you'll get the symbol of desktop. Click on that and scan this. So once this is scanned, you are ready to go for the details. So first thing is like you'll get to create a business. So create a business, it's here. You can definitely enter your business name, business type, industry type, and the incorporation type. By adding all these details you can click on save. Okay, so let's go to the business which I have already created. So this is myBillBook, and this I have created the recent one. So here what do we get is like the settings, and in the settings you'll find the business settings. In that settings you'll find how to create a new business, chat support, close financial year, upload logo up to 5 MB PNG and JPG format, business name, company phone number, email ID, billing address, state, pin code, city. Then if you are a GST registered, yes, enter your GST number. And if your business turnover is more than 5 crore, then you'll be able to enable the invoicing as well. Okay, and this invoicing you will get only in the enterprise plan. Okay, okay, so after that you'll find again, if the GST is not registered you can just select as no, enter your PAN number if you're deducting any TCS or TCS. So accordingly, like you can enable this according to your reference. On top right side, you'll get the same details like the business type, industry type, and the registration type. And there is an option of note. The details added below will be shown in your invoices. So will not whatever the details are here, this will be shown in the invoice apart from this. Okay, then afterwards, like, you can find the details of the signature. So signature can be added, upload signature from desktop and show empty signature box on invoice. So if there's any upload signature from desktop, you can definitely do, like, scan it in the, like, make a signature in a white paper, and you can definitely click a photo and upload it. Okay, then next, add business details. So if you have any business details to be added, that can also definitely be added from here itself. Okay, so what you need to do is, like, MSME, just I wrote here MSME, you can write it here and the number here. So same goes with the business details. If you are adding any of the website, MSME, drug license number, and anything, you can just write the topic here and write the numbers here and click on add. That's all you'll have to do. Okay, and click on save changes. So once you click on save changes, we have another option, that is company settings. In company settings, you'll get two different options. One is data export to tally and another is delete business. Delete business is just, you'll have to select and delete business. That's all you'll have to do here. Okay, and every data, each and everything will be deleted completely. Okay, and data export to tally, this is also available only in enterprise plan. So data export to tally is basically, you can choose a date range, like previous month, previous quarter, previous financial year, and custom date range, and enter your email address. So you can enter your email address, and CA email ID is optional. Okay, the CA, his email ID would be optional. You can, if you want to add, definitely that can be added, or if you don't want to add any of the details of your CA, then you can let it be as it is. Okay, and next would be, exported file should arrive in 24 to 48 hours in your email inbox. So whatever the data you export, within 24 to 48 hours, you'll receive it in your email. Okay, once you click on export, and on right hand side, we have added a video, like how to import data. I'm Preeti from myBillBook, and I'll be an onboarding specialist for this live session. Next, we'll go to the I'm genuinely excited to have you all here, because today we'll see how we can, like, a name, mobile number, and like manage your business and data and everything in myBillBook, like one-stop solution for billing and accounting, all in one place. Okay, so here's what we are going to cover today, is like setting up your account step by step, exploring the key features, you can use it right away, and pro tips, you can start running a business from today itself. So a quick note along, like, as we go along, keep the questions ready. We'll be having a dedicated Q&A in the mid and at the end of this session, exploring the key features, you can use it right away, and pro tips, you can start running a business from today itself. So a quick note along, like, as we go along, keep the questions ready. We'll be having a dedicated Q&A in the mid and at the end of this session, exploring the key features, you can use it right away, and pro tips, you can start running a business from today itself. So a quick note along, like, as we go along, keep the questions ready. We'll be having a dedicated Q&A in the mid and at the end of this session, exploring the key features, you can use it right away, and pro tips, you can start running a business from today itself. So a quick note along, like, as we go along, keep the questions ready. We'll be having a dedicated Q&A in the mid and Okay, so what you have now is like, so this would be general information, as I told you, like name, mobile number, email ID, referral code for subscription discount. What would be your subscription plan? So as I have the enterprise plan, so this would be the enterprise plan, and your plan ends on 8 April 2027. If you'd like to upgrade, you can definitely upgrade the plan. And next would be the billing history. Billing history would be like, well, whichever the bills you have purchased, right? Like download receipt, download receipt. So this is the plan which I have purchased, and if there's any adding of anything, that can be the one, and renewal, every details you'll get it here. You can download the receipt and you'll be able to get all the details of it. Okay. Next we have like parties. How do we create parties is like, 1 minute. So we have basically two options to create party. One is in bulk and one is in single party create. So this cash sale will be created by default. It won't be able to delete, or if you want to edit apart from name, and everything can be edited. And we have bulk add parties. Okay, so in bucket parties, what you get is first, second, third row. Please do not make any changes. Whatever the changes is there, you can start making from number 4. Okay, the first would be the party's name, which is mandatory field. Another would be the mobile number, GST number, then shipping address, shipping pin code, city, state. Then comes with the billing address, pin code, city, state. Then party type, whether it's a customer or a supplier. Like customer is like to whom you sell the products, and suppliers from whom you purchase the products. Okay. And opening balance is like how much ever amount you are having before starting the business of the party. Like if there's any of the notes, then that definitely that can be added in the opening balance. And credit period, for how long you'll be waiting for the payment, and email ID. Okay, then after this, just clear all the items and upload it. Okay, so the parties are being uploaded successfully. So once every parties are uploaded, I'll show you here. And create parties, like single party, how do you create, get details. So once you enter the GST number and click on get details, every details will be filled successfully. Okay. And the party's name, mobile number, email ID, opening balance, GST, PAN card, and the party type. So party type by default will be as a customer. You'll have to change it to the supplier. Okay, then party category, search categories. Like if you have any categories you want to add, that can also definitely be added. And we have address below. Addresses like billing address and this shipping address. If there are different billing and shipping address, then you can just toggle this off and add the like new shipping address as well. Okay. Credit period and credit limit, as I have told you, like for how long, how many days, and for how much of limit of outstanding. Contact person name, date of birth, add bank details, and add custom field and save it. The supplier is created successfully. We'll create one more party without the GST. Raju. Okay, his mobile number would be this. Enter email ID, customer by default. I'll just add the random address here and save it. Okay, and we'll save the party. Now the parties are also been created successfully. Let's create an item. So for the item again, it's the similar like how we have created the parties, but here you'll get options like add items in bulk. This is how we have created. Purchase bill upload is basically like how you upload the images, right, or PDFs of purchase invoice. That you can definitely add it here. Our team, they'll be adding the like the data. And another would be the product library. Like you'll have all of the product list in myBillBook application. You can just search and take it over. And next would be the data from other softwares. Like you can have any data from Vyapar, Tally, Mark, and custom software. Will be able to add the item list. Okay, so item list can be uploaded from the data itself. You can just take the Excel sheet and like share it here. Next, like add the master file here of the items and save it. It'll be uploaded from our team side. Let's create an item like bulk add items. So this is also similar like how we create the parties. It's similar like that. First, second, third row, please do not make any changes. Here are the instructions that has to be followed, and you can upload 4,000 items at once. If you have more than 4,000, then you can definitely go like add this, and I can come to bulk add items and add the rest of the others. Okay. So first would be the item name and description, category, unit. Unit, suppose it's box. Okay, and the alternate unit is pieces, and the conversion rate is 24. So 1 box equals to 24 pieces. This is what the unit, alternative rate, and conversion rate means. Then next would be the item code, HSN code, GST, sale price inclusive and exclusive. So what sale price 40 rupees is here. If it's inclusive, then sale price with tax. If it's exclusive, that means sale price without. Okay, then same goes with the purchase invoice. The purchase price and the purchase tax inclusive and exclusive. Then comes with the MRP, current stock, and low stock alert quantity. So low stock alert quantity is like when your item crosses the margin which you have given. At that point of time, you will definitely get the low stock quantity alert as well. After that, we have item type, product or service. Whatever the item you sell, it comes under product. Or whatever the services you do, like you definitely would directly go visit and make the details, that comes under item type. Sorry, the services. A visible online store. If you want to visible any of the details in the online store, any of the items, that can definitely be taken. And the discount part. Now you can clear all this. Let's create a single item. The item would be the mustard oil. Show item in online store 300. So I'm just adding random details. Then enter the description, uh, or add open over 5 images. You can definitely add it over here. And pricing details 300. 270 would be the 270 would be the sale price. Sorry, the purchase price, and GST and everything, and save the item. So once the item is been saved, you'll be able to make a purchase of that particular item. Now let's purchase a item. So how item can be purchased? Like firstly, you'll have to click on the purchase invoice, create purchase invoice, add party here. So invoice number, prefix, invoice number, purchase invoice date, original invoice number, payment terms for 30 days, and due date is available. You can remove this due date as well, and you can add the item, like how much 200 products you would like to purchase, add to the bill. Then comes with the notes and terms and condition, add additional charges, taxable amount IGST at 3%, add discount. You have auto round off. So if there is any decimal from this 54,000, if there's any decimal, you'll be able to remove the decimal as well. Okay, and next would be the total amount and mark as fully paid. So if you want to make it as mark as fully paid, then definitely that can be done. You can just select this, and cash, UPI card, internet banking, bank transfer, and check options are available. And let this toggle this off and save it. The purchase invoice has been created successfully. You can download this PDF, print PDF, share in WhatsApp and SMS. So this is the bill. Now this bill is unpaid. You want to make a payment immediately. So to make a payment, just click on the record payment in and save. That's all. The invoice amount is paid successfully. Now let's make a sales invoice. It's similarly how we have created the purchase bill, it's similarly like that. Okay, sales invoice number one. It's different, definitely overall the items are same. So I'm purchasing 5 mustard oil. So this is about the invoice. Here it comes SGST and CGST, and you can save this. And one more thing is like you'll get the bank account details and payment QR code details as well. And if you download this, it'll be downloaded as the original for receipt. Print PDF original for receipt. You have the option to print in thermal, duplicate and triplicate, download duplicate and triplicate, share in WhatsApp and SMS. And to make this payment, you'll have to come payment in, create payment in. I'll just keep this as one. Select the party, Raju, select and save. That's all you'll have to do. Okay. Now sales return or purchase return. So sales return and purchase return both are similar. What you need to do is like you just have to add the party's customers or suppliers name. Click on search invoice. Once you find the invoice, select that invoice and how many product are been returned, that you can keep it, and how much has been sold, that you can delete it. Okay, and save the details. That's all you'll have to do for the sales return and the purchase return. Credit note and debit note. Credit note and debit note both are similar, but what the difference is like, once you add the party, either you can select the invoice, add the item, or just add the amount. Your credit note and the debit note will be created successfully. Okay, now let me know like if you have any questions to be asked. Definitely I'll be helping you on those questions. Now just add the amount. Your credit note and the debit note will be created successfully. So if there's any questions, you can definitely let us know. Okay, so I believe like there are no more questions to be asked. Now let's go ahead with the another topic. So that would be cash and bank. So cash and bank is like basically like all the transactions, whatever the transaction you have received in cash, whatever transaction you have received, paid to a supplier. So that all transaction details it will be settled here in cash and bank, right? So first thing is like to add a bank account. To add a bank account, you should have a bank account, and that is there is any opening balance as of date, you can definitely add. Then comes with the bank details. Okay, then comes with the bank details, account number, re-enter account number, account holder's name, IFSC code, bank name and branch name, and UPI ID. So once it is submitted, like we have another options like add money or reduce money. If you want to adjust any of the balances from cash or from bank, you can definitely add or reduce money and adjust the balance. Next is transfer money. So transfer money is like you are transferring from cash to bank or bank to cash, something like that. You can definitely opt for. So first thing is like once you click on transfer money, you have cash option and you have bank option. So cash to bank, it will be transferred from current balance. You can definitely add the date over here, amount over here, and save. Click on save. So once you click on save, every details will be filled successfully. And this is the bank details. Like you have the option to filter the dates. Again, in the cash in hand also, you have the option to filter the dates and everything. Okay, and yes, so what you can do is like cash in hand transfer. Sorry, 1 minute. Kotak Bank. So you can see all the details, bank details over here. You can definitely update and share and delete in the same option you will get. Share bank details and share, download the statement. Okay. Now next would be manage users. So for the manage users, like we have already added the details on here. I'll just show you a demonstration, like how first thing is like you need to add the name, his mobile number, select role. We have this much of roles option, overall 5 roles. One is salesman with edit access. He'll have the option to edit. Salesman without edit access is like he don't have an option to edit the invoice. Delivery boy, stock manager, and partner. So these are the options and details available in my bill book. Okay, and next would be like I have set as Oli as a stock manager. So the invitation is already been sent. Okay, you can see this edit user is stock manager. So to know more about admin's permission, click on roles. So here is the roles available and you can definitely save it. And on top right side, you can find the roles and responsibilities. So accordingly, you can definitely choose and select it. Okay. Next and last is CA report sharing. CA report sharing, first thing, it has to be enabled. Okay. Click on edit. You can add CA's name, WhatsApp number, email ID, and GST reports that will be shared to CA on every first of every month. Save details. So once the details have been saved successfully, we'll have to enable this, which if you would like to share both of the reports, definitely that can be shared. And if you want to share only one of the report, that also can be shared. Okay. So, and one more thing, the upcoming report sharing to your CA is planned on 1st June 2026. You can definitely click this as save, and like from coming 1 month, like June 1st, you'll get all the reports. Okay. Okay, so we have some time, so I'll just tell you about one more topic, that is reminders. Okay, so this reminder is basically like settings, like if you are sending bill on WhatsApp or SMS to the party, if this is toggled on, once you create the bill, automatically the invoice will be shared to WhatsApp or to SMS. Okay, and you can get the payment reminder on WhatsApp. You have the option to receive the payment, like an option. Okay, and two party reminders through SMS 3 days before due date and on due date. You can view the sample as well like this. And to you'll get purchase invoice, get reminder to send payments on online. Sorry, on time. 3 days before due date or on due date. Daily summary, outstanding collection and payments, yesterday's sale, low stock alert when stock is below stock level quantity. At that time, you get the reminders option. Okay. So, if you have any doubts, you can definitely let us know. If you have any questions, we can definitely add. So, bulk upload items like I have shared in the live session, like we have already completed that topic. You can just go backward and get the bulk add items. So that's what I was talking about. Like we have already completed that topic. Okay, so I'll show you how the items can be added. Just you'll have to go to the items, bulk actions, add bulk items, add bulk items. So these are the items from number 4. You'll have to add the rest of the items and everything. Every details has to be followed correctly. And last, click on add items. The items will be added successfully in bulk. Okay. If you have any other questions, you can definitely let us know. Okay, so getting error in low stock alert, like what kind of error you are getting? Could you please elaborate? Okay, so we don't have, I believe, like no more questions to be asked. So if there's any questions, you can definitely connect to our support number. That is 740041 7400. We are available from Monday to Saturday from 9 a.m. till 9 p.m. Okay, you can definitely call us. And the topics like which we covered is like login process, business settings, account settings, to add inventory, party sales invoice and the purchase invoice, payment in, payment out, sales return and purchase return, credit note and debit note linking, and cash and bank, manage users, report sharing, and reminders. We have covered these topics. Okay, and we'll be live in the evening as well, like for advanced features such as e-bill, invoice, invoice settings, right? So you can definitely join our YouTube live in the evening as well. And before wrapping this, thank you so much for joining our YouTube live today. And if you found this session helpful, please do like, share, subscribe so that you'll never miss our next tips and update. Until next time, keep growing with myBillBook. Have a great day. Thank you, everyone.